Hello, this is Kello here. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of sunshine today, and we lost some of our winter charm. But we're moving towards the end of January, and we do have a little bit more sunshine here in Estonia this time of the year. So I decided that I'm going to catch this little bit of sun and into my video, and I'm going to try to talk to you here. So if it disappears some time later, then don't mind, okay? So a little update. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then me and my family, we are building a bus into a home. It's a van Hool from 1993, and it's a double-decker. So right now our work has reached this point where we've managed to take the windows out, and we have started kind of stripping the bus from its, I can't say, like outer core, or the the outer metal layering. We are trying to take it off to see if there's any rust there. It's quite a bit of work, because the metal sheets metal sheets are quite strongly attached with some many rivets and some screwing, and also some plastering to make the bus look nice from the outside. And they are very strongly attached, so it's really hard to get them loose, and then it's hard to start stripping this metal layer off from the sides of the bus. But we've managed so far. What we've used is a screwdriver and a knife, and then some sawing and drilling devices to get rid of the silicone that's underneath those metal sheets that holds it in place with holds it in place so that it won't like fall off from the bus. I don't know how to say. Anyway, there's this bus, and there's this layer of metal on the side of the bus that makes the bus look nice, and it's between the first and the second floor. Well, you see that in the video as well. So, and it's quite heavy on the side, actually. On the second floor, it's almost 12 meters long, so it was really hard to get rid of it. The metal, since it's long and it's thin, it starts like kind of like wobbling, and then tries to, if it gets loose, tries to fall down because it's heavy. So he had to catch it, and then later think what to do with it, when it's how to get it down nicely, so that you could later maybe reattach it if you have done all the metal works with the frame. So it's quite hard as you can see. And also what we did is we took the emergency door out from the second floor. It was really tough because since it's an emergency door, it's not used all the time. We could get it open and close, but the hinges were so kind of stiff, and also the metal, it's not screw, but this thing that connects the hinges, this metal stick, how you call it. So it was also broken, and it got stuck there. So the door, we were able to move the door in and out, but we couldn't get it off from the hinges. So we had to apply heat, and then we had to put some oil there, and then we had to apply some pressure, and we tried to screw it out, and it didn't work. So eventually it started moving, and then we tried to put some supportive rope. It's not rope, but you see it from the video. So we tried to attach it to the ceiling on the beams of the ceiling to support the hinges, so that if we take the door off, it wouldn't fall down from the second floor. And it did fall, but since it was supported with this rope kind of thing, then we managed, okay, he managed to catch it, and it didn't fall onto the concrete floor, luckily. But it was like I think 80 kilos heavy, so it's really hard to catch it. And we're very happy that we got the door out. So, but we have to probably rework the hinges to put the door back in later. Yeah. And also what we did was we installed some additional lighting onto the beams in the ceiling, so that the place wouldn't be so dark and green all the time. When we started building the bus, then there were only 2 huge lights in the ceiling, Soviet lights, really, Soviet Union lights, and we had to wear this headlamp all the time to be able to see anything close up. But now it's a lot better, it's not that green anymore either. And what we did, we just bought some extra lamps and then installed them onto the beams, iron metal beams in the ceiling, and then wired them, and it was working. So it's kind of temporary solution, but it's fine. And then we got rid of all the trash that you saw in the previous videos that we had on the left side of the bus. So the inside is really nice and beautiful right now. and we were able to work on the windows and then now on the frame of the bus. So we are very happy. So that's what we've been doing so far, and hope you like this video, and you're welcome back. And if you have any questions or issues that you would like to discuss about or would like us to talk about, then just let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.